Now, most people struggle with walking consistently, not because they're lazy, but because they're using the wrong strategy. In this video, I'll show you how to make walking a non-negotiable part of your day using simple proven psychology and the exact system I use in my Walking Works program to help people walk further, feel better, and actually stay consistent. The real secret to habit formation isn't waiting for motivation, it's building momentum. Research shows that even small actions can trigger the brain's reward system, making it easier to keep going. Most fitness habits fail because they don't start with the right identity. When you say, "I'm trying to walk every day," your brain hears optional. But when you say, "I'm a walker, it's just what I do," it shifts from motivation to identity. And that shift is where real consistency begins. Even more powerful, celebrating micro wins. Those tiny actions like putting your shoes on or logging your first half mile, it gives your brain a dopamine hit. It rewires your habit loop from day one. If you want to make walking stick this time, start with a win. Download The Power of Starting. It's a free guide that gives you a 10-minute walk plan, a visual log page, and a system to start feeling results today. You've probably heard the saying, start small. But here's what they don't tell you. Small doesn't mean meaningless. It means winnable. One of the easiest ways to build a new habit is to reduce friction. So make it so easy you can't say no. That's why I recommend setting out your walking clothes and gear before bedtime or scheduling a 10-minute walk into your calendar. You remove decision fatigue and make walking the obvious next step. Research from Dr. Wendy Wood, a behavioral scientist at USC, shows that habits form not from intention alone, but from repetition in a stable context. When a behavior is repeated in the same environment, the brain shifts control from decision-making centers to the basal ganglia, allowing the action to become automatic over time. One powerful trick is called habit stacking. For example, taking a short walk immediately after you check your last email of the workday or right after you load the dishwasher at night. You're not forcing a new habit, you're simply building on one that already exists. This habit comes from James Clear, author of Atomic Habits, and builds on the cue-response theory. By using an existing habit as a cue, your brain more easily accepts the new habit as part of the routine. Studies on implementation intentions shows this increases habit consistency dramatically. In the beginning, walking every day for just 5 to 10 minutes is more effective than walking for an hour once a week. The goal is to teach your brain the behavior pattern, not rack up mileage. Dr. B.J. Fogg of Stanford University emphasizes that frequency builds automaticity. According to research published in the European Journal of Social Psychology, it takes an average of 66 days for a new behavior to become automatic, and daily repetition accelerates the process. Habit science tells us that what gets tracked gets repeated. That's why I recommend a visual tracker like the one in the Power of Starting guide. Every entry reinforces your new identity. I'm someone who walks. And here's where it gets powerful. Pair this with a mantra. Before each walk, say, "I'm showing up for my future self," because that's what this habit is really about. Again, the easiest win is simply starting, and starting with support. The Power of Walking helps you log each short walk. It's visual, simple, and yes, designed to give your brain that "I did it" signal. Many of my subscribers have already downloaded The Power of Starting and used it to create momentum. It's free. Takes 5 minutes to read and starts the loop that leads to real change. So grab it below. Your future self is already thanking you. If you're wondering why this simple habit of walking works so well, you need to watch the first video in this series, The Science Behind a 10-Minute Walk. It breaks down how walking activates your nervous system, improves your mood, and creates lasting energy. It's linked in the end screen. Click it now and let's keep walking forward. So thanks for watching. If you found value in this video, please click the like button, turn on the notifications, share it, and subscribe to the Walking for Health and Fitness channel, as I'll be uploading many more health and fitness videos. This is Frank. Walk on.